Hey YouTube, Sunny Frank here. Today I'll be opening up a hobby box of Star Wars Galactic Files 2018. Great product. Got this from the local hobby shop. They actually had 3 boxes left. I bought the last 3 boxes that I can find anywhere because I've really enjoyed this and I think I've done decent on it. Be sure to check out, if you're up to it, check out all the videos I have of opening this stuff. I've opened quite a few. So at this point, I definitely have. I'm mainly looking for the sketches and autos if I can get anything in SPs. I have plenty of the base cards now, but I like going through them. So Labria, Anakin, there's Orange. Bagnoro and Darth Maul, Luke, Tivik, Luke Skywalker, and Vinny. Shalin, the triplets, Moosters, a Bomber, Blue Rancor, Orange Razzie, Space Slug, and Imbo. You get 2 hits per box in this hobby box. Kato, Yularen, Orange Joma, and Connix. There's Ray, Neil, Chewbacca, and Pow. Man, I'd never get tired of opening these boxes, no matter how many I've opened. I wish I could find some 2000 or Galactic Files Reborn, because I didn't really buy much of that, and now I kind of want to finish that set of the because this is a continuation of that set. Hux, Cephala, Orange 3PO, Orange Yoda, First Order. There's an R2, Commander Fox, and Limbic. Grumgar, Monsby, C-3PO, Count Dooku ship, Bail Organa and Willard, Blue, Enforcer, and Melshi. Got Death Star Trooper, Palpatine, and the Emperor, Krennic Shuttle, Han and Carbonite, and a Blue Klaatu. Ooh, that might be an SP. No, it's not. Orange Jump. The toes always mess me up because there is a Poe Dameron from The Force Awakens that's SP. This one is actually from Last Jedi. Kyuubi, Thobel, Rook, and K2SO. The Weequay Pirates, Nien Nunb, Gal, and Chewbacca. Got Darth Vader. Oh, this is probably the autograph pack. FX7, Orange Tarkin, Green Merrick. 12 out of 199. That's our first number card. And also got Bail Organa and Kato Connix. We'll save the autos. Save it for the end. It'd be really cool if it's something I don't have. That's the main goal of these. I'm not really after the autos because I have a lot of the base autos. So, but there's still some that I don't have yet. Finral, Jakil, Orange Tauntaun, Blue Grand Admiral Thrawn, Lightsaber, Root, K2SO, Porcella. Numa, Moroff, BB-8, Orange Lisa and a Blue Dengar, Cloud City, Yoda, and Death Star Gunner. Padme, Benid, Barris, Sella and Bosk Blue, Blaster Rifle, Zilbeast, and Cubby. Click Clack, Boba Fett, Orange Palpatine. There's a green General John Dodonna, 175 out of 199. Galen Erso, Tamsin, and Dodonna again. Okay, let's leave this general. Mon Mothma, R2, Q5, Paramita, Naboo Starfighter, an orange Dane, and blue Han Solo, Akbar, Lyra Ursa. Daspur, Toto, the eighth brother, orange. Be careful not to choke in your aspirations of purple Palpatine, which is 91 out of 99. Hyung, Trevag, and Death Trooper. Therese, Ethano, Orange Arsing, and Obi-Wan. The Emperor, eighth brother, Lando, and Centel. Nestaterm, Caretaker, Zal Dins, Y-Wing. There's a blue Muftak and orange Luke, Snowtrooper, and Lockbird. Captain Nita, Jamilia, orange Jen Urso, and Licham. Anakin becomes Darth Vader, Rey, Short Trooper, and BB-9. Ursa Wren, Prosper Omlin, Jedi Starfighter, Paige, orange, and blue Prashi. That's definitely an SP because I have not seen that card. Princess Leia, sweet. Yeah, A New Hope number 5, and it's got the code for SP, so that is awesome. Lisa, Serlin, and Palpatine. So still getting SPs I've never seen before. After all these boxes. And that's definitely going to my PC. That was a really nice card right there. Princess Leia. Oh, we got Sketch. You can tell that card right there is weird colored. Ed 2 Tubes, Vanny, and a green Paige Tico, which is 57 out of 199. Guavian Death Gangs, Serapis, Luke, and we're going to reveal the sketch at the end. It's definitely in color too. I saw some color on the edge of the card, so not just a pencil drawing. But even though there's some pencil drawings that are incredible, but usually the color sketches are really nice. Leads, Mace Windu, Tag, 2 Tubes, orange, and a Commander Gree blue. Killigan, Voltceres. So this is an example of a great box of Galactic Files because you get an SP, auto, and sketch. That's fantastic for Star Wars. Del Travis, Efontmon, Emat and Vasper orange. The Resistance, love that card. Dane Jr., Jen Urso, and Volicham. Azadi, Natal, Orange, Ghost Tours, and Tivik. Princess Leia quote, Jun Sato, Yoda, and Nukt. Babajo, Mon Mothma, Poe Orange, Blue Yaddle, the Emperor or Palpatine, Hellrot, Anakin, and John Brandon. Okay, so we've got Obi-Wan, Chief Chirpa, Darth Bane, Saxon Orange, Blue AP5, Watto, Ben Tutus, and Ghost Tours. Alright, so let's get to the auto. Okay, please be somebody I don't have yet. No, I do have that. That's Sabine. Duchess Satine Crazy, Anna Graves. 416 out of 435, so that one's... All the autos are numbered in this, but if it's in the 300 or 400s, then they made a lot of them compared to some of the other ones. But it's a nice looking auto. They did a good job with the autographs in this set. They look really sharp. They're stickers, but they're framed by this foil frame, so it looks really good on there. Okay, now for the sketch. There's the congratulations. This is the back. You get a one-on-one sketch card. Richard Serio. I got one of his sketches, and I think it was nice, if I remember right. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. That's Luke and Yoda watching the force tree burn up on Not 2. Okay. Interesting theme for your sketch card. But, I mean, it's simple, but you know exactly what's going on in that sketch there. Just from watching Last Jedi. And that's what sketch cards are supposed to do, right? Am I supposed to remind you of stuff from the movie? Okay, so that's in there. So, got a sketch of Luke and Yoda watching the force tree burn up after Yoda sent lightning bolt on it. Got an autograph of Duchess Satine and this really awesome SP of Princess Leia. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.